Well, a successful voyage north on the Neuse, and I have to say I was very anxious this morning, and Vinny was calming me down. But we had an awesome captain and really wonderful crew came with us this time. It was great having folks with us. Vinny and I really enjoyed sharing our time with Sue and Alan and Rob, and so I just wanted to say thank you. And we just had a great time. It was a beautiful day, sunny. The Neuse was not bad at all, and we got the jib sail out and it worked just fine, and it went really well. I'm very relieved, and it went great. So really fun afternoon.
It was really great to get back out onto the Neuse and head north. Those of you that have been following us realize and remember that about a year ago we were heading north on the Neuse to go to the same location up in the Chesapeake to fix the boat. Unfortunately, I ran aground. That incident led to us kind of spending a lot of time in the Carolinas, and now we realize once again we need to get up north so we can fix this boat.
Roger that, I see mast. I've got dock attendants on guard waiting for you. So, again, just go past that third T-head where the catamarans are, turn to port, and you'll see them standing out there.
Here is an example of a very poor docking. And the reason it was so poor is because my boat was on the hard for a long time, and so I wasn't really out handling the boat and cruising. And you know, the more you do it, the better you get. So this is an example of a just first time. I had done it in several months, and I just turned to port too quickly. Here is an example of actually a perfect docking. So those of you who are thinking about Getting a big boat and feeling intimidated about how you're going to handle it and control it, well, it's like anything, practice. Just because practice makes perfect, that's all. This is just as smooth as could possibly be coming into this slip.
So I'm on my lunch break and pop my head out for some fresh air, and there's this really pretty blue egret, I believe, or a blue heron up on a post over there just preening itself in this warm weather. So it's one of the nice perks of working on a boat. Pizza.
Done work?
Yes, TGIF.
We got some Silo's pizza here.
Oh,
it looks like somebody started eating it already.
So we are here on Yab Yum at our favorite marina, and the weather's been interesting this holiday week. We got real cold and then it got really warm. I'm wearing a coat now, but it was warmer earlier today. We're getting some things settled here, then we're going to visit some family for New Year's, and then we'll be back here on the boat and looking for weather windows to go north.
I really do love the boat. We're just going to have to get some things fixed on it and equipped and get some practice on the Chesapeake, bring this boat so we have the confidence to take it offshore and go to the places that we want to go to.
You ready for this?
All right. There's some big fish jumping around here. Yeah, see that?
I heard it.
Let's see if I can catch them again. What kind of fish those are?
I'll meet you up at the car and you can help me unload.
And we just want to take this opportunity to thank our regular viewers who've been watching all of our episodes. We thank you for journeying and voyaging with us. And we're excited about the new year as we head north to get this boat equipped so we can turn right around and head back out and go to the places that we've always wanted to go to but haven't been equipped or prepared to do so. We're ready now. We're very motivated to make this happen. And we want to thank you for watching us, and hopefully that you will continue to enjoy our videos. Our goal is to keep them entertaining, keep them educative, but most of all inspiring. And if they're funny, that's added plus. So thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
And may 2020 be the best year ever for you. All right, let's go. We're heading up to see our family for New Year's Eve, and then we'll be right back to head out. Head north.
North in winter?
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense, but...
What are we, Santa?
Yeah, we're going north in winter. We're Santa.
We're gonna go see Santa.
Well, maybe you're Santa. I'm one of the elves. Grumpy. Oh, that's
Snow White.
That's Snow White. Yeah, I don't really know my Disney characters or my
We're delirious. We need lunch.
myths. Yeah. This is a cool sailboat. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Beautiful day. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Yab Yum.
You want some, Grandpa?
Sure, give me a shot. Oh, that's good. Ooh. Oh, that's really good. That's good stuff.